So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you are a new technician and you do not know how to open AC or uninstall AC, or you are a customer and you live in a village and you are not getting any technician help, then you can very easily open your AC or uninstall your AC, then this video is for you. It is very important to have these tools to open AC. We will need some tools to open split AC. 1-piece hammer, Allen's tools number 4 and 5. 2 pieces sly wrench, 12 to 13 and 14 to 15 wrench tools. Packing tape. Screwdrivers. Now I will tell you the future process. So friends, we have come to AC. First of all, you turn on AC from remote and check AC well whether your AC is cooling or not. If your AC is cooling and working well, then you go to the outdoor unit of AC. After that, open the cover of the outdoor unit. There is a screw attached to this cover. After opening the screw, the cover will come off easily. After opening the cover, your AC will look something like this. After that, you let the outdoor unit of AC to be on, and if your outdoor unit is on. So after that, you open both the linky nuts of the outdoor unit with the help of sly wrench. These nuts will open anti-clock. After that, you start closing the valve of number 5 linky, thin pipe with tool, discharge pipe until it is completely tight. It will rotate clockwise. After that, you wait for 1 to 2.5 minutes, or if the sound of your AC's outdoor unit changes, then you thick pipe. Start closing the suction pipe and keep on tightening till it is tight. It will also be clockwise tight. After that, turn off the main switch and remove the plug. After that, you open all the wires of the outdoor unit with the help of screwdriver. Then you open the thin pipe discharge pipe. After that, you open the thick pipe suction pipe. Pay attention that the thick pipe is very tight. Then if you open it with the help of 2 sly wrench tools, it will open easily. After that, you put the Allen key nut and cover the packing tape over the valve so that the garbage will not go into the AC. Now put back the cover of the outdoor unit and tighten it. Now open the 4 nut bolts in the lower leg of the outdoor unit with the number 14 to 15 wrench tool. After removing all the 4 nuts and bolts, take down the outdoor unit. After getting the outdoor unit down, open the hole at the back of the indoor unit with the help of a hammer. Now with the help of both sly wrenches, open the indoor valve and remove the pipe. And also tape the pipe from the indoor unit to the outdoor one so that the garbage will not go inside. Now open the fastener attached to the bracket with sly wrench tools. It will open anti-clockwise. And your outdoor bracket will come out. Now we go to the indoor unit and open the indoor unit. First of all, take out the filter by opening the front cover of the indoor. After that, open the 3 front screws. After that, lift the lock on top of the cover and take out the cover. After that, you can see that there are 2 locks under the plate of the indoor unit. Open it. And take down the indoor unit very easily. After that, by opening all the screws of the plate of the indoor unit, take the plate down. Now fit the cover and tighten the screw as we opened the cover of the indoor unit. And by bending the pipe of the indoor unit with light hands, attach it to the plate and taping the extra wire. Now the AC has opened well. Hope you guys have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video and subscribe to my channel.